First question, you need to find out 4 answers. The questions are given in the slide number 3. For color attribute, how many different values you have? Green, brown, orange. Okay, so we will have 3 multiplied by. For toughness, we have odd and soft, so 2. Then multiply by. For fungus, we have S and no, 2 different values, so multiply by. Appearance, how many we have? Wrinkled and smooth, so 2. So when you multiply all these things, you will get 4. Yeah. So this is the answer for the first question. How many distinct instances are possible for this instance space? And the second question is syntactically correct hypothesis. How many you can express? So this is the second question. So how to write the syntactically correct hypothesis? For everything, you will add 2 attributes. One for question mark and another for null. The answer will be, instead of 3, you will have 5. 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 64 multiplied by 320. Yeah. This is the answer for the second one. So for the third one, how many semantically correct instances are there? For that, your answer will be, you will take the first one. In that, you will add 1 to that. For everything, you are going to add only 1. The reason is we are not going to consider null. So instead of 3, we will have 4. Instead of 2, we will have 3. And instead of this 2, 3. And for this 2, 3. Finally, we will add 1. You are going to reject everything. So what is the value of this? 27 multiplied by 4 plus 1, not 9. Okay. You are going to find the hypothesis. When you want to find the hypothesis, first you will start with most specific hypothesis. That is nothing but you will have null for all the fields. How many fields are there here? Attributes, if you see, color, toughness, fungus, and appearance. So we have 4 attributes. So we have 4 null. Now let me consider the first example. Is the first example positive or negative? If you see the last field, poisonous, this is a class we want to predict. Here we have yes. In Finders algorithm, we are going to consider only the positive instances. So we are going to consider first example. Second and third, we will not consider. Fourth and fifth, we will consider. Sixth and seventh also, we will consider. So out of 7 examples, we are going to consider only 5 examples. Wherever you have yes, that only we are going to consider. So now let us start with the first example. Green, hard, then no
fungus and wrinkled.
Yeah, no fungus and then wrinkled. Correct. This is the output after the first instance is considered. So this is our H0 is the first one, and then H1 is this one. Okay. Now we are going to consider the second example. We are going to leave. Third example also we are going to leave because they are negative examples. Now let us consider the fourth example. When you consider the fourth example, the first field is orange. But here in H1. This is H1, H2 will also be same because there is no change. Then H3 will also be same. Okay, don't write H1 only. Whenever you consider one example, you have to consider the next hypothesis. So H1, H2, H3, because we consider 3 examples. When you go to the fourth example, we are going to change our fourth hypothesis. This is H4. When you consider the first field, it is orange, but here we have green. So we need to consider orange also. So this will be now changed to question mark. Instead of green, I'm going to change to question mark. Then the second field is hard. Here also we have hard. So don't change anything. The third field is no. Here also we have no. So don't change anything. Fourth field is wrinkled. Here again it is wrinkled. So now after the fourth example is over, my hypothesis is changed like this. Now let us consider the fifth example. I'm going to consider fifth example. The first field is green. Already I have general concept here only. So question mark means it can cover any value. So green is one of the covered values. So don't change anything. And the next field is soft. But here I have hard only. Now I have to accept soft also for the second attribute toughness. So I'm going to change the second field as question mark. And the third field is yes. But here I have no only. So I have to change this field as question mark. Then the last field is smooth. So here I have wrinkled only. So I'll be changing this to question mark. Okay. Now, if you see, all the fields in our hypothesis have become question mark. That means all have become general. It will accept any value for any of the fields. Once you become like this, don't check for any record. Whatever may be the examples you have, just to put question mark only. Because once you have question mark for all the fields, it is the general hypothesis. So no need to change here afterwards. So totally I have 7 records. So I will write H5 as all question mark, H6 as all question mark, and H7 as all question marks. So this is the final answer. And once you get H5, don't stop with that. You have to proceed till you reach, till you process all the records. So this is find out the output for this particular record, like green, then soft, and then no, and wrinkled. What is the answer for this? Yes, it is poisonous, because according to our last hypothesis, we have question mark in all the fields. That means whatever is the input for any of the 4 fields, your output will be positive example. Positive example means in that particular column, you will have yes as the output. So you can say that yes, it is poisonous.